Ever pondered on the possibility of becoming a billionaire while still young? It might seem like a far-fetched dream, but today, I'm here to share the secrets that could potentially transform that dream into a tangible reality. So, settle in, get your writing materials ready, and prepare for an enlightening journey. Before we delve deeper, it's important to understand that amassing a billion-dollar fortune isn't a walk in the park. It demands hard work, tenacity, and a dash of good fortune. However, don't fret, as I'm about to unravel the methodical process that will steer you towards unprecedented wealth. Step 1. Broaden your knowledge. The genesis of this journey is anchored in education and lifelong learning. Engage in reading books spanning different subjects, participate in seminars and workshops, and build relationships with individuals who share your aspirations and can challenge you to grow. Step 2. Invest intelligently. The stock market and real estate sectors present fantastic opportunities for multiplying your wealth. Master the art of analyzing market trends, consider professional advice, and make strategic investments that resonate with your long-term objectives. See Step 3. Forge a strong network. Success isn't a solo journey. Build relationships with influential people, enroll in professional organizations and social clubs, and frequent industry conferences. The network you cultivate will prove invaluable in opening doors and presenting opportunities. Step 4. Develop healthy habits. The journey to amassing wealth demands both mental and physical resilience. Engage in regular physical activities, maintain a balanced diet, and practice mindfulness. These habits will sharpen your mind and boost your energy, enabling you to confront challenges head-on. Step 5. Diversify your income sources. Don't hinge your financial future on a single income source. Explore various industries, initiate side businesses, and invest in assets that generate income. Multiple revenue streams mitigate risks and enhance your chances of reaching billionaire status. Step 6. Welcome risk-taking. Fortune tends to favor the bold. Don't shy away from taking calculated risks. Venture into untapped markets, initiate innovative enterprises, and be ready to change direction when necessary. Remember, failure is merely a stepping stone towards success. Step 7. Assemble a stellar team. No billionaire ever achieved greatness single-handedly. Surround yourself with a skilled and committed team. Delegate responsibilities, capitalize on their expertise, and concentrate on your unique strengths. Together, you can achieve extraordinary feats. There you have it. The 7 indispensable steps to becoming a young billionaire. Now, it's your turn to act, apply these strategies, and watch your wealth multiply. Keep in mind, the journey to success may be fraught with obstacles, but with grit, determination, and the correct mindset, you can certainly join the Billionaires Club. Best of luck on your exciting journey. Do remember to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, and drop your thoughts and aspirations in the comment section below. Until our next interaction, stay ambitious and never cease chasing your dreams.